our weather for today. Not seeing any huge problems during the daytime hours. So if you're trying to wrap up the holiday weekend by getting outside, just dealing with the heat, our high temperatures will be in the upper 90s today across the board. 98 in Austin, close to triple digits, but not quite there. It will definitely feel like triple digits though. I think around 103 for the peak heat index this afternoon in the metro. Some spots could get to around 105, 106, but we're still below heat advisory criteria. So that is good news, and that's because we have a little dip on those dew points again in the afternoon. But we do have a chance to see some thunderstorms. This is the severe weather outlook, but the lighter green is just general thunderstorm activity. So not severe for us, but if you look up to the north, we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk spanning from the Panhandle region and parts of New Mexico all the way across the southeastern U.S. There's high pressure in the upper levels to our southwest. So this is again that ring of fire setup where those storms are going to be traveling around the upper level high. Now we could see some of those trying to drop into our area late tonight. A little bit of storms near the Red River. We have some storms building up here in that Panhandle region. These are what I'm watching. If we see a complex form, that will have a trajectory toward us. No rain on the radar this morning though. We'll just see some upper level clouds, have some low level clouds. It'll be on and off cloudiness during the day today. So I don't think we see really widespread rain at all through most of the day. 6 o'clock, maybe a spot shower. Most of it looks to be out of our area. But look at midnight. We have this storm complex dropping to the south. I think the best severe chance is north of us, so I'm not worried really about a severe risk for us. But even a general thunderstorm here, we could have lightning, gusty winds, and some pockets of heavy rainfall. So we have to watch for this. 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, pushing in, and then falling apart. We could even have some light rain lingering into tomorrow morning during the commute. And then the models rebuild on that boundary because it is sort of a low pressure system that moves into the region. This is in the afternoon tomorrow. So once we get some daytime heating, you can see a rebuilding of some of those storms. So we'll watch for that during the day on Monday, even into the evening hours. We could see some rebuilding on that boundary. So I'm going to keep the rain chances elevated through Tuesday. I don't think we get that boundary out of here until then. Then we'll have a little drier period before we see some weakness in the upper levels building in again at the end of the week. So right now this is a cutoff low that's bringing us a little bit of lift. We see high pressure build back into the east through midweek. That's why it's drier. And then a big weakness as the high pressure kind of splits off into two separate pieces late week. So that's when you're going to see some more rain chances occurring into Friday and Saturday. It also looks like we'll see another kind of boundary coming down from the north. Not necessarily a cold front passing through, but you'll see that increasing the lift and the rain chances. So our high temperatures kind of bouncing around mid to upper 90s through the week. Our heat index will feel like low triple digits every day. Drier through midweek, just watching today and tonight, and then we'll see some daytime heating storms Monday and Tuesday, and then it'll be a similar setup at the end of the week.